So now I will show you how to do the driver installation. First of all, I need to connect the tablet to my computer. So I'm going to use my cable and we'll connect it to the tablet. And then you have to go to the google.com and then go to Veikk website. So once you have gone to the Veikk website, you can see there's few options on the top of the website, and then there's a one option called downloads. So you will have to go to the downloads option, and then from the download option, when you go down, you can select your operating system and then go ahead and download it. So once you download it, you will get an exe file, so you can open it and go next and then install it. Once you install, you can see the Veikk app on your desktop, or you can just search it and bring it up. And then once you open it, you can see this surface. So here at the top left hand corner, you can see the Voila 1060 is detected, and then at the bottom of it, you can see there are few tabs open. One is the pen. So I'll go to the pen tab, and in the pen tab you can see that the pen is open here, and there are two buttons which you can assign any type of key you want. And then at the right side, you can see the pen pressure sensitivity chart and how to adjust the pen pressure sensitivity. So I have done a very informative video on the pen pressure, so you can go to this card and click it and see the video and get more information about it. So the second tab is mapping. So once you go to the mapping, you can see the mapping area of the pen tablet, which is detected in the monitor. So you can see if it is correctly detected. If you want to change it, then you can change it. So in the bottom, you can see there are two options like right hand mode and the left hand mode. Since I'm a right hand person, I would just leave it like that. And this mode option is again very important. So there are three options like pen, mouse and click disabled. Just keep it at the pen mode. So if you put it to the mouse mode, the pen might not detect it in the pen tablet and it will be a bit difficult for you to draw. And the third tab is the function. So in the function, you can see there are hotkeys are shown here. So each hotkeys you can assign any type of shortcut keys you want. So that's about it. Once you put all the hotkeys and the dial keys into the pen tablet, then you can go and start drawing. So I'm so excited to use this, guys, because I love the design. You can see I love the keys as well, as I mentioned before, but I can't wait to start drawing on it. So speaking of Veikk, I have been working with Veikk for a long time and I'm pretty sure about the quality. The quality is super good. And if you have ever used Veikk tablets, you can also agree with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you with another video.